Cork it in a bottle by the needle and stitch. Streets about to throw its leaf into a spin. Its heads and tails tossing sheets with it. Lay one field farrow with the worsted sparrow bond. Broke wing, northern knowing. Broke wing, northern knowing. And all his business in the vineyard keep. Fine and wanting real sweet. Tea, real sweet, cause tea for the bird in the shadow. She throws projected page, turning nails down battle called sky. When you're 19 years, ain't swinging brass. When you're 19 years, ain't swinging brass, but your warhorse ideal. Put that flash. You got enough bones from the head to toe, lady with the thumb on the dark back road. She ain't mixing drinks. She ain't mixing drinks to protect the life from noon of day. Ain't a swift or swank in a walk. But I've been here, George, or snooped up yet, braved up yet to the 90%. Odds tough shit gonna die. Keep somewhere you took under wing from meeting her death, which seems to be about 50-50. Her boyfriend butter ain't no skippy. He hates her. Your lonely ass is a selfish one. Glove compartment ain't flat powder. Gun above no below. You don't wear boots in Ohio. You don't wear boots in Ohio. He orders you roll down the window. You ain't got rocks to tell him no. In the dim behind you discern footsteps. Holds his trigger finger. First death warning. The Lion Scope Notre Dame West. A next thing. They says, the train travel in 3 knot. The same act to them, same lack. Before Jack David Jones, no time for locker. Snoop Jack was strapping. Bazooka breaks time. As a carry-all knapsack, 50-pound Parker. 50-pound Parker. Employ your trade, no Silicon Valley in his lemonade. Neptune rises from the ocean depths, changing his snap figure, illumin Jack Rat of the Juggernaut shot stop. Drawing closer to the other side, 50-cent Dr. Dre everyday payday. Say you have a nice day. He's 20 times her, and his eyes do rage. If her let her live, if he let her live, they gonna bust every rib. Every rib. And Gloria Steiner died down the street with a red flesh coal and one Roman soldier who gave. And damn when 10,000 hilltops were crossed and slammed. In Ghost of Farm, she knew him some. Laughed to that was a thread he won. Now by this time, Dr. Dre got Roto-Rooter Vancouver set to spray a hose with Snoop snaps together to jam cell load. My, said 50 Cent right row. You do impress me hand to hand. Anakin fish as well as on hand. Cannonball Neptune pulling jackstraw. And all of a sudden, his thumb girl smasher. He hooked up from behind the man with the animal in his eyes. At the first hit, he about to taste disaster. Ah! Snoop jackstrapping, bazooka breaks time, kiss carry-all knapsack 50-pound Parker. And ply your trade, no Silicon Valley is lemonade. Neptune rises from the ocean depths. Chains lying snap figure illumination. Jack Rat, Juggernaut son. Draw closer from the other side. 50 Cent Dr. Dre everyday payday. See you have a nice day. He's 20 times and his eyes do raise. If he let her live, he's gonna bust every rig. That's what he's gonna do. He's gotta let her live whether he likes it or not. Get back in the car, you win. You may be big, you may be muscular, but we're here to do you down. Take out some height. Buddy Steiner down the street, he gets a red flash call. Once Roman soldier gave his all. And damn, when 10,000 hilltops were crossed and woods slam! He goes to home, she knows himself. Last night, he's a friend he warned, and you, boyfriend, grab a woman by the neck. Now, but this time, got the grave at the roller rooter for him, Vancouver. Set the spray of holes while Snoop snaps. Together, jab shell load. My, say 50-cent Red Why? You impressed me head to head. Atticus Finch as well as on hand. Cannonball, Neptune, pull a jackstraw, and all of a sudden the thumb girl smasher get him a hint he's about to taste disaster. You could relive that night now. It'd be a different story.